In a remote village nestled amidst the mountains, there lived a young man renowned for his remarkable intelligence. He possessed the ability to solve the most complex puzzles and answer the most difficult questions with ease. People from distant places often sought his wisdom. One day, a traveler from a distant land arrived in the village, drawn by the young man's extraordinary intellect. Seeking guidance, the traveler approached him and said, "Oh, wise master, I have traveled a long way to seek your counsel. I have a question that has troubled me for years. How can I use my mind to its fullest potential?" With a gentle smile, the Zen Master invited the traveler to join him on a walk through the lush forest surrounding the village. As they walked in silence, the traveler grew increasingly impatient, expecting an immediate, profound answer given the Zen Master's reputation. Finally, they reached a serene pond deep within the forest. The Zen Master gestured to the water and asked, "Look at this pond, my friend. What do you see?" Peering into the clear water, the traveler replied, "I see fish swimming gracefully in my reflection." The Zen Master nodded and handed the traveler a small pebble, instructing him to throw it into the pond. As the traveler did so, causing ripples to spread across the water, he watched as the fish scattered, disturbed by the disturbance he had created. The Zen Master asked, "What do you see now?" The traveler responded, "The water is no longer calm, the fish are agitated, and my reflection is distorted." Smiling, the Zen Master explained, "You see, my friend, the mind is like this pond. When it is calm and still, you can see things clearly, just as you saw the fish and your reflection. But when you introduce disturbances like worries, desires, and impatience, the mind becomes agitated and clarity is lost." The traveler understood the profound lesson the Zen Master had imparted. He realized that to use his mind to its fullest potential, he needed to cultivate inner stillness and patience. Thanking the Zen Master for his wisdom, the traveler returned to his homeland, carrying with him not only the answer to his question, but also a newfound appreciation for the power of a calm and focused mind. From that day on, the Zen Master's reputation spread even further, not only for his intelligence, but also for his ability to teach others the art of using their minds wisely. This story teaches us the importance of finding inner stillness and patience in our minds to think clearly and use our mental potential wisely. Thank you for listening, and may you be blessed.